90 and 120. Okay, good. So this is trigonal bipyramidal. Another bond angle, another similar one. But you replace one of your friend with, basketball. Yeah, with a basketball. Then there are two possible way you can do that. Yeah, you replace one of the bond pair with lone pair. Yeah, there's two possible way. Draw both, and one of them will be wrong. Yeah, one of them will be wrong. Then try the draw. Then later we decide which one is wrong. Yeah, good. Yeah. So this one you replace your friend on the North Pole with lone pair. This thing you must make it look like 120, you know. This part is, see, you draw here, is as if it's 180.
Oh,
Don't do that, do it here. More than, okay. This one also, the lone pair must be facing this way, yeah. Okay, this is A, this is B. Which one is correct and which one is wrong?
B, correct.
B is correct. Okay, B is correct. How do you know? Because you memorize. Yes. You memorize, right? Where is it there? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Why? The reason is very simple. This one. Hey. This one, the lone pair, have a stronger repulsion power. Yeah. So this thing is you have stronger repulsion to 3. This one is the repulsion is to 90 degree to 2 of them. Understand? Yes. Can visualize? No. Can you visualize it? And what will be the name of the ship?
Seesaw.
Seesaw. Does it look like a seesaw?
Kind of.
It's like this, yeah. Yeah. Vertical. Then if you hold them, you put here like this, then it looks like a seesaw. Yeah. If you hold like this, then this is the launch pad. Yeah. This one is 90 degree to 2 of the morning. From here to here is 120. This one is 90 degree to 3. So this one is wrong because you have more repulsion. Right on here. 4 launch pair. 4 bond pair, 1 bond pair. Yeah. And right on the name is Seesaw. Yeah.